Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to be making 5-minute air fryer shrimp. This shrimp is juicy, plump and perfectly seasoned. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So here in my bowl, I have about 1 pound of shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and season it with Creole seasoning. I'm gonna also add in a garlic and pepper seasoning. Next, we're gonna add in chili powder. We're gonna also add in paprika. We're gonna add in red pepper flakes. We are also adding in parsley flakes. Drizzle with avocado oil, then mix well. Then we're gonna pop this into the air fryer. You can get the ingredients and measurements for the recipe in the description box down below the video. Next, we are going to arrange the shrimp in a single layer into the basket of the air fryer, just like so, guys. The shrimp that I'm using today is medium size. I would recommend you choose large shrimp that are peeled and deveined. You can also choose shrimp with or without tails. So I'm using a tail on today. Now we're gonna cook this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how the shrimp looks. I'm gonna transfer it into a plate, then serve it over noodles. You can serve over a bed of rice or pasta. If you wanna know how to make these noodles, I'll leave the link somewhere up here. Go check the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my